Now we're going to save a little bit of time by getting media blasting of the steel parts and then an epoxy primer put on to things like the wings and the bonnet for the Morris Minor. Alright, so we've got the all the steel parts, including the bonnet, are over here to get media blasted and then get powder coated. And that's going to save a lot of time and effort. And they will be then epoxy, not powder coated, they will be epoxy. All right, so here are the pieces. They've been media blasted and epoxy coated, and look how good they look. Now, of course, those are going to go in and be blocked and painted back to teal blue, but this is the way to do it. You know, you're not spending all your time there with a sanding disc and everything else, and that epoxy, that's going to be a fantastic foundation to work on when it's blocked and then finally painted. So you can see the pieces, how nicely they came out. And again, most of these, there's the rear wings, front wings, there's the bonnet, were original to the car. And so very, very pleased with the work here. Now we can really see what we've got after having the media blasting done on these body panels. And they look pretty good. Any kind of rust would have, of course, been revealed and blown away by that. And very, very solid. And I've already stowed the bonnet away, but very solid. And with the nice epoxy coating on it, ready to go into blocking and eventually painting. So I'm very, very pleased with that. And you know, a good progress on getting this Little Morris Minor Traveler done.